Hello, my dear students. You all are welcome in my Patsala. Myself, Subramitra Thakur from IQCT, Durgapur. Today I will take the class of ratio and proportion. But today I will take class of the ratio. Right? Ratio and proportion both are in the same chapter. But I will take the class first ratio and then proportion. What is ratio? Ratio is a relationship of two quantities of the same kind and same unit, right? Ratio is the relationship between two quantities of the same kind, same unit. It is a ratio. And ratio, I will get the ratio by dividing the number, first number by the second number. Then I will get the ratio. Suppose ratio of 15 kg sugar and 20 kg sugar. Both are in kilogram. If it is one is kilogram and another is gram, then it will not be a ratio because unit is different. It should be in same unit, right? What is the ratio? The ratio of 15 kg and 20 kg is equal to 15 divided by 20. So you cut it and make it small. 3 by 4. So 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is the ratio. What is the characteristic of ratio? There is no unit of ratio. And in ratio, you will get in the numerator and denominator. That numerator is called here that antecedent and 4 is called the consequent. Right? And in ratio, there is no unit. And a ratio always expressed in its lowest term. That's why I cut the number 15 and 20 by the 5 and then I will get the 3 by 4. Let us start to do the mathematics from the ratio. Ratio is very easy chapter. So you just listen to me and you can do, I think you can do all the mathematics from your chapter. The different types of mathematics I will calculate and you follow that. Right? Number 1, that is the convert decimal fraction. Convert decimal fraction to ratio. Whole number ratio. To whole number ratio. That is 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So how will you convert the whole number ratio? So make the first you see the LCM of 3 and 4. LCM of 3 and 4 will be the 12. So you will multiply 1 by 3 into 12 and 1 by 4 into 12. That is 1 by 3 into 12 is to 1 by 4 into 12. So it is 4. It is 3. So the ratio is the 4 is to 3. It is the whole number ratio. It is a fractional ratio. Right? Second, how to divide something to 2 or 3 or 4 or 10%, right? How it will be divided a amount to the 2 or 3%. Suppose you have 260 sweets. 260 sweets. And it will be divided between Ram and Sam in 2:3 ratio. How many sweets will get Ram and Sam? Both. Total sweets, total number of sweets is equal to 260. Total number of sweets is equal to 260 and ratio is 2:3. Ram is 2 and Sam is 3. The total ratio is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So Ram will get, what is the portion of Ram? Ram is a 2 out of 5. So Ram will get 2 by 5 into 260. That is 2. That is 5 25 2 that is 104, and Sam will get 3 by 5, and Sam will get, the total ratio is 5, so Sam will get 3 by 5 into 260. That is 615, 156. The 156, Sam will get the 156 sweets and Ram will get the 104 sweets. Right? So, you just see that you have some amount and it will be divided 2 or 3% to the in ratio. So, how much they will get? How much will be the share of that 2 or 3%? Right? First, next question is the divide 260 among A, B, C in the ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Here this is the symbol of ratio. This is the symbol of ratio. So divide 260 among A, B, C in the ratio 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. Here the ratio is given in the decimal fraction, right? So from the decimal fraction it will be converted to the whole number. So how it will be? That is the 1 by 2 is to 1 by 3 is to 1 by 4. So LCM of 2, 3, 4 is equal to 12. Is equal to 12. So 1 by 2 into 12 is to 1 by 3 into 12 is to 1 by 4 into 12. That is equal to 6 is to 4 is to 3. This is the whole number. The conversion of this decimal fraction to the conversion to the whole number. Here A part is the 6, B part is 4 and C part is 3. But total amount, total ratio is 6 plus 4 plus 3. 6 plus 4 plus 3, that is 13. So out of 13, A is 6. Out of 13, A is 6. So A will be 6 by 13. Out of 13, A is 6 into, you have 260 amount. So 13 twos are, that is 120. B will get, B portion is to 4. So 4 out of 13 into 260, 20, that is 80. Right? And C will be 3 by 13 into 260 is equal to 60. Right? If you add the 120, 80 and 60, you will get the 260. 120A, 80B and 60C. So 120 plus 80 plus 60, that is equal to 260. So the mathematics is very correct and you will get the marks and you will be happy and teacher will also be happy because teacher will think that his student, his or her student is doing well. Right? And next question. There are two numbers. Two numbers are in the ratio 10 is to 13. 10 is to 13 and the difference of them is 48. Find the numbers. It is very important. This is very important maths. Here two types of maths will be there. There are two numbers are in the ratio 10 is to 13 and their difference is 48. Difference is 48. it may come in the difference in 48, or if it is the addition of something, right? Find the numbers. So the ratio is 10:13. I do not know what will be the number. So suppose I will multiply the x with the different ratio. Suppose the numbers are 10x and 13x, right? X multiplied by 13 and x multiplied by 10. But I do not know the value of x. So from this clue, I will calculate the value of x. Its difference is 48. So according to question, I will write the 13x minus 10x is equal to 48. That is 3x is equal to 48. X is equal to 48 divided by 3. That is equal to 16. Right? So x is calculated. Now the numbers are 10x and 13x. So 10 into 16, that is 160, and 13 is to 16, that is 208. 160 and 208, both the numbers, right? And if you see 208 minus 160, you will get the 48. So the mathematics is correct. It is very magic. So I think you are getting my point. So what type of maths will come from the ratio chapter? So I am showing you the different kinds of mathematics from the ratio chapter. It is another type, that is a plot. It is a word problem, right? A plot is there, a plot of 600 square meter is there. It will be divided in first and second part. First part gets 3/5 of second. Then how much they will get? First part gets the 3/5 of the second. Suppose. So let us consider the second part bx. So first part will be 3/5 of x, right? So the ratio of first and second, that will be, first will be the 3/5 of x, ratio x. So it is in fraction, but from the fraction I will make a whole number. So here only denominator is 5. So and here it is 1 by 1. So 1 and 5, the LCM is 5. So I will multiply the 5. That is 3/5 into 5x is to 5 into x. That is 3x is to 5x. Right? 3x is to 5x. This is the ratio. So 3x, so according to question, 3x plus 5x is equal to 600. So 8x is equal to 600. So x will be 600 divided by 8. 600 divided by 8, that is 2, then it is 75. So the value of x is 75. So first part will be the 3 by first part is here. First part is 5x. First part is 3x and second part is 5x. So first part will be 3 into 75 and second part will be 5 into 75. That is this is the 225 and this is the first part square meter. First part will be square meter and second part is the square meter. Right? This type of math will come. This is very important math. And the last one, the difference of the two number and the addition of the two number, difference of the two number ratio, that is also a very good mathematics from the ratio. Right? So you will do the different ratio in the first same unit. Suppose the age is two different boys is given, that is a 2 year 6 month and another is 4 year 3 months. So 2 year 6 months means 2 year means 24 months and 6 months 30 months, and it is the 4 year 6 months means 4 year 48 plus 6. 48 plus 6 is the 54 months. So 30 is to 54 ratio will be 30 is to 54 ratio, right? So it will if you see that it will be you will be very cautious about the unit. If it is make it the same unit and then you will cut by the same fraction, same factor, and it will come into the lowest form and then you will calculate, right? It is the mathematics of ratio. I think you can do all the mathematics of the ratio chapter, and if you have any problem you must message me and I will give you a free consultation and about the different questions from my lecture. So, and if you like this, please like and subscribe of my lecture, and please share my lecture to your other friends so more and more students may get the benefits from my class. Thank you. Thank you. And next chapter I will discuss about the proportion. Right? Thank you. Bye.